Hello everyone, today we are going to start our next topic, that is specific gravity of force aggregate. So, what is meant by specific gravity of force aggregate? So, its definition is, it is the ratio of dry weight of aggregate to the weight of equal volume of water is known as specific gravity of aggregate. So, this test is specified in IS 2386 Part 3 1963. Then let's see the required apparatus. So first we required weighing balance machine. Then we also required tray, aggregate sample, then specific gravity basket, or you can also say that for the density basket. Okay, and then oven. We also required a oven. Okay, so these are the required apparatus. Then next, let's see the procedure, how to find out the specific gravity of force aggregate. So, procedure is, firstly, take a sample of 2 kg of aggregate. Then this aggregate is washed the sample thoroughly to remove the finer particles and dust from it. After washing, place the aggregate in the wire basket and immerse in a water at a temperature between 22 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius with a cover of at least 5 cm of water above the top of the basket. Okay. After that, immediately after immersion, remove the entrapped air from the sample by lifting the basket container containing aggregates 25 mm above from the base of the tank and allow it to drop again. Okay. Then continue this process at least 25 times at the rate of about one drop per second. So this basket and aggregate shall remain completely immersed during this process as well as for a period of 24 plus or minus half hour. Okay. After that, the basket and the sample wetted in the water at a temperature of 22 to 32 degrees Celsius if it is necessary for them to be transferred to a different tank for weighing. Okay, so they are jolted 25 times as I described above in the new tank before washing, before weighing. So note down this weight of aggregate and basket in a water as we know that for this weight that is A1. Okay. After that, remove the basket and the aggregate from the water and allow to drain for a few minutes. After that, empty the aggregate from the basket on the dry cloth and return the empty basket to the water. Then again drop 25 times and wet in water. Now note down the weight of basket suspended in water, that is A2. Okay, that means the weight of empty basket. After that, gently dry those aggregate with the dry cloth. Then transfer aggregate to the second dry cloth. If the first one cannot remove optimum moisture residue from them, or you can also carry the next step, that is expose the aggregate to the air but not the direct sunlight for 10 minutes. Okay. Then take the weight of this dry aggregate which are saturated and note it as B, weight B. Okay. After that, next place the aggregate in the oven on the shallow tray at a temperature 100 to 110 degrees Celsius and maintain this temperature for next 24 plus or minus half hour. Then remove aggregate from the oven and cool in a airtight container. After that, measure the weight of the aggregate and note down this weight. Oven dry aggregate is weight C. Okay. After that, from this measurement to calculate the specific gravity of aggregate. So, for these are the calculations. So, firstly, from this measurement to find out the specific gravity, then apparent specific gravity and outer absorption percentage, that means the percentage of dry weight. Okay, so for this, let's see the first how to find out specific gravity. So for this, there is a formula C divided by B minus A. Okay, so let's see the what is meant by C, B and A. So A means the weight in a gram of a saturated aggregate in water, that is A1 minus A2. Okay, so A1 means mass of aggregate plus basket in water, and A2 means the mass of wire basket suspended in water. Okay. Then next, let's see the B. B means B is nothing but the weight in a gram of a saturated surface dry aggregate in air, and C is nothing but the weight in a gram of the oven dry aggregate in air. Okay. So from this we get specific gravity, that means C divided by B minus A. Then apparent specific gravity means C divided by C minus A, and the last outer absorption, that means the percentage of dry weight is equal to 100 in bracket B minus C divided by C. Okay. So from this calculation we get specific gravity, outer absorption and apparent specific gravity. Thank you.